can't see you. God, this smells awful. What's that music? Is that you? Is this a prank? Because I swear to
It is no prank, bitch!
Hey! Why do you sound like that?
Because you, my precious little bitch boy,
Stop it,
are
sir!
tripping balls!
Nothing turns me on about the opposite sex, but everything turns me on about the same sex.
Like a princess, I'm a king. Bow down and kiss on my ring. It's gonna hurt, it'll sting. Spitting up blood in the sink. I'm crazy, but you like that. I'm right back, dances on your nightstand.
It's time to get up, I've been down for so long. Get me out of my head, I can't do this alone. Feels like the walls are closing in. I can't keep going on like this. How did I end up this way? Give me a reason. Give me something to take to stop the bleeding. Am I the only one to see the monster I become?
If I can't have you, no one can.
For the very last time.
Recognize that I could be the eye of the storm. I am not my body, not my mind, not my brain. Not my thoughts and feelings, I am not my DNA. I am the observer, I'm the witness of life. I live in the space between the stars and the sky. Tell me how you think I'm nothing. No, I'm nothing like the others. You shouldn't mess with me, 'cause I heard that you're afraid of me.
The last 2 years of my life were so filled with regret. Trying to fool myself, but I'll never forget the time I lost, the pain I found. But when it's time to fight, you didn't stand your ground. Smoke in my lungs, there's a fire in my heart, fire river. And when it's all said and done, you won't break me, you won't break me down. I'm not afraid to try and feel something that's real. I'm not ashamed, you won't break me. When all this done, I'm stronger than I've been before. I'm not afraid, you won't break me down. I'm lying to myself, now it's too late. The monster's inside, the monster is me. I keep lying to myself, now it's too late. The monster's inside, the monster is me. The devil's living in my head, I'm scared to death. I haven't been myself lately. If I were you, I wouldn't get too close, 'cause I don't know what I'd do if you push me. Start another fight, make a fist, keep swinging. Alone in the dark, what the hell was I thinking? Round and round, up and down, round and round, life so upside down. If I could turn back the hands of time, not even God can save me now. I've lived this life so upside down. If I could turn back the hands of time, I'd never try to change my fate, 'cause it made me who I am today. Let's watch this city burn. Let's watch this city burn. From the skylines on top of the world, till there's nothing left to learn. Let's watch this city burn.
Still hear her voice loom, but she only exists in the dark of my room. I can't ignore you. Do anything for you, baby. I do adore you. In my room.
Get out of my face, bitch!
I'm sorry, you're such a bitch.
Everybody is tired and poor and sick of trying. If you see me on a corner, will you stop or will you smash me? Take a look at what we become. Now the modern silhouettes of a pretty family on a postcard, picture perfect. So I hold my breath to my heart explodes. Cause this is how it is and this is how it goes. You can tell my body but you can't tell my soul. Cause this is how it is and this is how it goes. You better shut your mouth and bite your tongue, cause you don't wanna piss off anyone. By the damage done. Welcome to America. Cause everybody's like an edge. Oh no, they never let go of something you said 10 years ago. They're cancel like you. And they won't stop till everybody's on the fight. They're bumping us with lies like it's formaldehyde. We're dead inside. Living in fear, living afraid, hysterical every day, all because I let your poison paralyze me. So tell me who's in control, I'm confused.
was young and I was reckless, man. Moved out at 17 and made my mama mad. I thought I had it all figured out. A pocket full of pills and a 40 in my mouth. Peeled out in my big block Chevy. Flipped it 6 times and I knew that I was ready to straighten up because my best friend died. I didn't want to carry on living that life. Now I'm running from the scene, cause I was caught up in the crime. It's a loaded memory, yeah, it kills me every time. And I'm trying not to scream, but it's eating me alive. I'm still haunted by the best years of my life.
Lies, you just fuck like them. Are we bound to lose? Maybe we just don't get to choose. Is it in our DNA? Was I just born this way? I am not the one. I'm just another bastard son. A bastard son. No matter what I do, you will never ever be like me, and I will never be like you. Another day, another systematic nightmare. Bite me first, I'll bite you back, melodramatic laughter. I sound the night in my eye, take a motherfucking mind. But once when I'm feeling fine, destroy yourself, it feels too good to fade away. Do I wanna hurt myself? Should I die for something else? I let my conscience get in the way. Oh, babe, we hope you have a lovely day. Oh, babe, you don't want us to come out and play. Oh, wait, no, there's nothing to see here, it's under control. We're only gambling with your soul. Oh, babe, whatever you do, just don't wake up and tell that corruption.
Corrupted, infatuous, far